And Shubhanshu Shukla has landed in Lucknow. The star astronaut, the group captain Shubhanshu Shukla, has now finally landed in his hometown Lucknow. And the family was also present at the airport. Currently, the victory parade is going on in Lucknow. These are the live visuals of the parade of Shubhanshu Shukla in Lucknow. And a grand welcome. We witnessed a grand welcome at the airport. Deputy Chief Minister Brajesh Pathak, in fact, received Shubhanshu Shukla at the airport. He also met Shubhanshu Shukla also met his family members at the airport, and now these are the visuals of his victory parade in Lucknow. Live visuals from and. In fact, this is a homecoming parade of Shubhanshu Shukla, who's finally in his hometown. And my colleague Samaj Srivastava is now joining us with more details on this. Give us more details about this parade. We are currently showing our viewers the live visuals from Lucknow.
Well, exactly, the victory parade has started in Lucknow as Shubhanshu Shukla, along with his family, is thanking the people of Lucknow. The students have gathered out here, but with a national flag in their hands, welcoming Shubhanshu Shukla. But the major visuals are coming from that place, where you can see the entire family, Shubhanshu Shukla out here, waving the hands out here, and the mother, proud father, proud sisters, all together in one frame on India Today TV. As you can see in the visuals clearly, the welcome home, congrats Shubhanshu Shukla. The posters have been put up out here as Shubhanshu Shukla is being welcomed out here. As you see the other visuals as well of the students out here waving the national flag, welcoming Shubhanshu Shukla out here. As we see in the visuals, clearly the visuals telling the story how the students out here वेलकमिंग शुभांशु शुक्ला. कितना एक्साइटमेंट है शुभांशु भैया, आप क्या कहेंगे आप लोग?
अच्छा लग रहा है.
Quite happy Shubhanshu Shukla is coming.
Yes sir.
First pictures of Shubhanshu Shukla out here. What do you want to say?
We are very happy and we are very proud of it.
Very happy and proud, as you see in the visuals. As you see, the victory parade is on. The visuals coming from that particular space as well. Shubhanshu Shukla out here, clearly thanking, and Chaya India out here. As you see in the visuals, a proud father, a proud mother, all together out here. As you see in the visuals clearly, how excited you guys are for Shubhanshu Shukla.
We are very excited.
What do you want to say?
Jai Jagat!
You can clearly see the excitement out here as Shubhanshu Shukla has come here. The proud mother, the proud father, Shubhanshu Shukla out here. As clearly, this is a proud moment for the people of Lucknow, people of India. Also, he'll be meeting CM Yogi out here. He already met PM Modi before. Clearly, this signifies the grand welcome. See the posters, the mask of Shubhanshu Shukla as well. The students are wearing, show these pictures. You've got these such masks of Shubhanshu Shukla. What do you want to say? The waving hands out all together. Shubhanshu Shukla being welcomed in Lucknow. And this is the grand welcome what Shubhanshu Shukla is currently getting from here. As we are showing you the visuals out here. What do you guys want to say about Shubhanshu Shukla?
And he is an astronaut. I want to handshake with him.
He's just in front of you. See the visuals as the entire school where he studied welcoming him, and not just that, but the thousands of students gathering here and welcoming Shubhanshu Shukla. And they can clearly get the numbers how the students are waving their flags as police security is also at its peak. And the visuals. आप लोगों के स्कूल में पढ़ा है, क्या कहेंगे?
We are from CMS Rajendra.
क्या कहेंगे आप लोग, कितना एक्साइटमेंट है?
We
Love him. As the cavalcade is moving quite rapidly, we are trying to show you the visuals from here, as from ground zero. The excitement is at its peak with Shubhanshu Shukla going across one place to another. See the visuals clearly depicting the story out here with everyone out here welcoming Shubhanshu Shukla. Back to you.
Absolutely, Samarth. So, indeed, a mega homecoming for Shubhanshu Shukla in Lucknow. Grand welcome for Shubhanshu Shukla. Currently, the homecoming parade is underway, as you can see in these visuals from Lucknow. The students are all excited to shake hands with Shubhanshu Shukla, to just catch a glimpse of the star astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla. So, from space to now landing in his hometown, Lucknow. These are the live visuals of the parade. Samarth continues to stay with us. Samarth, what next after this parade?
अब अपने परिवार के साथ यहाँ एकत्रित हैं, विक्ट्री परेड में हिस्सा ले रहे हैं। उनके माता, उनके पिता के साथ तमाम बच्चे, जो हजारों में बच्चे यहाँ पर उपस्थित हुए हैं, जो जिनके हाथ में इस वक्त राष्ट्रीय ध्वज है, वो शुभांशु का वेलकम कर रहे हैं। इन बच्चों से भी बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे और समझेंगे किस तरह की तस्वीरें हैं। एक तस्वीर पीछे की भी दिखाई है, किस तरीके से शुभांशु पूरे परिवार के साथ हाथ वेव कर रहे हैं और जनता का शुक्रिया कर रहे हैं। लखनऊ हो या देश हो, सबने लगातार चीयर किया शुभांशु को, उनके साथ खड़े रहे और आज समय है उनका शुक्रिया
So the homecoming parade is underway in Lucknow. Shubhanshu Shukla is accompanied by his family in this parade, and the students from his school are waving the Indian flag and welcoming Shubhanshu Shukla in the city. He is heading to the school for an event, after which he will also be meeting UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Remember, he has already met Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And grand welcome for Shubhanshu Shukla in his hometown. So after being at this International Space Station for over 2 weeks, now he's back in his hometown Lucknow, receiving a grand welcome. He was received by UP Deputy Chief Minister Brajesh Pathak at the airport, where he met his family. His family is also currently accompanying him in this homecoming parade, which is underway in Lucknow. We're showing you the live visuals from Lucknow. And you can clearly see the excitement on the students' faces who are welcoming Shubhanshu Shukla, waving Indian flags. And the teachers from the school are also there. So there you see Shubhanshu Shukla along with his family. This is a homecoming parade that is underway. The city is all decked up for Shubhanshu Shukla's welcome. And after this parade, he will also be meeting Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. And Shubhanshu Shukla, the pride of our country, is now in his hometown, where he will be there for 2 days. But what we're learning is that he will not be visiting his residence due to security reasons. His security has also been beefed up. He will be staying in a government guest house. And though he can meet his family members, but he can't visit his residence. So Shubhanshu Shukla, along with his family members in the homecoming parade in Lucknow. The students of his school are also there waving the Indian flags, just waiting to catch a glimpse of the hero, Shubhanshu Shukla. And he's there in Lucknow for the next 2 days. And my colleague Samarth Srivastav is also on the ground, getting us all the latest details and the visuals from the ground. Samarth, what next after this parade?
Well, exactly. As you see, the victory parade is on in Lucknow, and clearly the visuals telling you the story, the wide smile over the face of Shubhanshu Shukla, who is standing along with his parents, sisters, brothers, all together in one frame. And this victory parade, and also the number of students out here have come in large numbers. As you see the pictures out here, which clearly depicts the excitement of the Lucknow, of city Lucknow, because Lucknow is the place where Shubhanshu Shukla completed his studies 10+2, and also not just that, but the school is also welcoming the students who have made Shubhanshu Shukla their topmost inspiration are also welcoming them out here. आप लोग बताइए कितना खुश हैं आज आप लोग, आपके आइडल सामने हैं.
बहुत खुश हैं.
So you can see the wide smile on the faces. Thousands of students gathered out here in the sidelines of the road. This is around 2 kilometers long road show, the victory parade. We'll see the excitement. These are showing students in the form of astronauts.
All right,
Welcoming
Samarth,
Shubhanshu
thank you so much
Shukla.
for getting us all those details right from the ground.